The Tomaso P72 has finally arrived, and it's nothing short of extraordinary. After 6 years of anticipation, the P72 is now road-ready, with deliveries set to begin by the end of the year. The revived Tomaso brand made a striking comeback in 2019 with its stunning P70 prototype. Since then, however, the company remained quiet about when the production model would hit the streets. The road-going P72 has been revealed, and it stays remarkably true to the original concept, a very good thing. Its design draws inspiration from the 1965 Tomaso P70, a collaboration between founder Alejandro de Tomaso and Carroll Shelby. This particular model features a gleaming white paint job accented with rose gold details, including the wheels, mirror caps, and trim. The wheels themselves even echo the look of the original P70. The flowing curves of the P72 are wrapped around a one-piece carbon fiber monocoque chassis, which also extends to the front and rear subframes. With no adhesives or welds, de Tomaso claims this structure sets a new benchmark for structural purity. Inside, the cockpit is proudly minimalist. There are no screens, no infotainment system, just a driver-focused interior meant to emphasize the pure experience of driving. Hand-stitched white leather and exposed carbon fiber line the cabin, while the dashboard is adorned with a beautiful array of tactile, machined aluminum gauges, all finished in rose gold. Even the exposed gear lever matches the luxurious aesthetic. Power comes from a supercharged 5.0-liter V8 engine developed exclusively for the P72. Previously reported to be based on a Ford Coyote V8 and tuned by Roush, that still appears to be the case. The result, a glorious-sounding engine producing 700 horsepower and 860 Newton-meter of torque, sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual gearbox. De Tomaso hasn't shared performance figures like 0 to 100 kilometers per hour times or top speed because that's not the point. The P72 isn't about chasing speed records, it's about pure driving engagement. There are no driving modes, but the pushrod suspension features manually adjustable 3-way dampers, allowing owners to fine-tune the ride to their preference. Deliveries of the Tomaso P72 will begin later this year, though pricing has yet to be announced. One thing's for sure, this car won't come cheap. The Tomaso P72 isn't just a supercar, it's a rolling sculpture crafted for those who appreciate true driving passion.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future content. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.